Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make designs using cutouts. Okay, so here I'm having various size of cutouts like this. You can make it by your own or you can just download it from the net also. So today I'm going to use this cutout. So we can make very simple designs and also very elegant. So before that, let us smoothen the surface of the clay. Okay, now just keep your cutout on it and using a sharp blade like this, you have to cut its shape. Any designs you can make. If you are well versed in freehand drawing, you can do many designs. So we don't need to use the cutters. So like this, you can cut. So we'll be getting like this, right? So just peel it off. So you'll be getting the neat finishing of your cuts. If you want to smoothen the surface, just with some little water, you can just smoothen the surface. Alright, so you'll be getting the neat finishing. So I'm keeping it aside, and with the same cutout, so this you can do as many you want. It depends upon your design of the jewelry. So the finishing will be very neat. So you can make any designs on it. Line design, curves, or even any impressions. Yeah, so here I have done 5 pieces of the same design. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give borders for it using a knife. I'm going to use this side so that the impression will be good. Just gently you can give the designs. Line designs will always look good when it comes to painting also. So you have to give the same pressure. So this design looks simple and also elegant. All right. So after giving borders, I'm just planning to give some cute impressions. Borders on all four sides. So now I have a tool which comes in my manicure set. So with this, you can use any tool as you want. So like this, you can give impressions. So to look even more nice, we can give some small strokes like this using this tool. I'm just using this hole maker to put some dots in these areas. So it's all about your creativity and imaginations. So this is going to be the choker set. So I'll be adding 5 or 6 more same design. So now I'm going to put holes using a thinnest hole maker. I'm just inserting in this area. Very carefully you have to do this. So it should come out in the same place in the opposite side. So you have to feel the needle going. See, like this. You should take it from the other side. That's it. You are done. So like that we can do to the other designs. You should not be in a hurry while doing this. Okay, so I'm done with the piercing the hole. So let it dry. So after firing, I'll be showing you the painting work. So if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.